How to add pixel to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a pixel to your Shopify. So let's get started. You will open up your Shopify store and you'll get to this admin right here. We want to add pixel, and one of the most famous pixels that we add to Shopify is a Facebook pixel. So first you need to create a pixel on that platform. If it's a website, if it's Facebook, then you will create a pixel there. So you can create a pixel on Facebook by just going to your events manager on Facebook, then go to data source, create a pixel, and then add Facebook to your Shopify. So you will just go to your app store. Let's say there's a website as well. If it's Wix, if it's Squarespace, if it's Facebook, then you will search right here on your app store and connect your platform to your Shopify. Once it's connected, you will open it up. For instance, I will open up my Facebook. So I will just open up my settings, and then I need to go to apps and sales channel. Here we have Facebook. So I'm going to click on it. And in Facebook, you can now simply scroll down to your settings and check out your pixel. The pixel will be added through that platform, whatever platform you're using. You just need to connect it to Shopify, and then the pixel will be added, and you will be able to avail all the features and tools you need and connect a new sales channel. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.